Okay, we were at a bed and breakfast in Virginia, in Dunedin, off of Virginia, I'm sorry. Currently, right now, we are at the clean out that's on the far right-hand side of the building. We've jetted the line and was completely backed up with toilet paper or actually flushable wipes. We're going to start pulling out. So right now, we're at the clean out that's on the outside of the property. The clean out's PVC, turns to clay. This part's nice and round. And right now we're cameraing from the bathroom that's been backed up in one of the back units. We pulled the toilet up and then went through the closet flange. The counter's going to be on the bottom left. You see we're coming back 12 feet from the clean out. Everything's nice and round, nice and beautiful. No cracks, no breaks. It's going to be sections of cast iron to clay to PVC, etc. We've pulled out a bunch of wipes. We're going to be showing it to the owner here shortly. There's a section of clay to PVC now that we're currently in PVC. PVC to cast iron, transition is good. Cast iron looks to be in excellent condition, nice and round. A little soap on the top of the pipe. You're going to see little lumps here and there in the cast, very normal buildup. It's not loose cast iron flakes, so it won't really hang up on much. However, it doesn't matter how nice and round the pipe is. Flushable wipes will absolutely get stuck in any pipe, whether if it's just cast iron, clay, or PVC. We should be coming up the toilet flange. Everything's nice and cleared during this time of visit. Thank you for watching.